If Twitch is showing error 3000, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. This error is often caused by browser glitches, bad cache, extensions, or hardware acceleration issues, so we're going to go step by step and fix each one. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and streaming guides. Let's jump right in. First, try the fastest fix. Refresh the Twitch stream. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R to reload the page. Sometimes error 3000 is just a temporary playback glitch, and a simple refresh is enough to get Twitch working again. If the video still won't play after refreshing, don't worry, move on to the next step. Now let's update Google Chrome, because an outdated browser can have trouble loading newer Twitch video formats. Open Google Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Help and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates, and if one is available, install it. Once the update finishes, relaunch the browser and go back to Twitch. This step is important because older versions of Chrome may not support the latest Twitch playback requirements. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is clear your Chrome cache and cookies. These can get corrupted over time and cause all kinds of streaming issues. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. In the menu that appears, select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. After that, reopen Twitch and test the stream again. Clearing this data often fixes stubborn playback errors because it forces the browser to load a fresh version of the site. If the issue continues, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, VPN tools, privacy blockers, and Twitch-related add-ons can interfere with video playback. To manage extensions in Chrome, click the three dots again. Go to Extensions and then choose Manage Extensions. From there, disable any extension that could be affecting Twitch. I'd especially recommend turning off ad blockers and VPN extensions first because these are common causes of error 3000. After disabling them, refresh Twitch and see if the stream starts playing normally. Another very effective fix is turning off hardware acceleration. This feature can improve performance on some systems, but on other PCs, it can actually cause Twitch error 3000. To do this in Chrome, open Settings, then go to System. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, click Relaunch so the change takes effect. Once Chrome opens again, head back to Twitch and check the stream. If hardware acceleration was the problem, this should clear it up. If you want one more quick test, try opening Twitch in Incognito Mode. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard to open a private browsing window. Then visit Twitch there and see if the video loads. Incognito Mode usually disables most extensions automatically, so if Twitch works in that window, that's a strong sign one of your extensions is causing the issue. That makes it much easier to narrow down the problem. So to recap, if you're trying to fix Twitch error 3000, start by refreshing the stream, then update Chrome, clear your cache and cookies, disable extensions, turn off hardware acceleration, and test Twitch in Incognito Mode. One of these fixes usually resolves the issue for good. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.